How to fix Instagram highlights problem. So if you have any problem with the highlight on Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps, and then here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to Instagram and click on it. Click here on force stop, go down to the notifications management, turn it off and on again, go back, click on storage, click here on clear cache, and then click here on clear data. Now all what you have to do is go to the Play Store, search for Instagram, and click here on update if you don't have the latest version. And you can do the same thing on iOS, just update and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end.